to Soundbites Academy. You have reached day 1 of our 30 days English Level Up Challenge. Hi, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
I'm doing well. Thank you. How about you?
I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
What is your name?
What is your name?
My name is John.
My name is John.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
I'm from New York.
I'm from New York.
How old are you?
How old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
I'm 25 years old.
What do you do for a living?
What do you do for a living?
I'm a teacher.
I'm a teacher.
What is your favorite food?
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
My favorite food is pizza.
Do you like to travel?
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love to travel.
Yes, I love to travel.
What is your favorite color?
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
My favorite color is blue.
Can you repeat that, please?
Can you repeat that, please?
Sure, I can repeat that.
Sure, I can repeat that.
Where do you live?
Where do you live?
I live in London.
I live in London.
I like playing video games.
I like playing video games.
Do you have any siblings?
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have a younger sister.
Yes, I have a younger sister.
I like pop music.
I like pop music.
Do you love dogs or cats? I love dogs.
Do you love dogs or cats? I love dogs.
I like to read books.
I like to read books.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Yes, I'm going to visit my grandparents.
Yes, I'm going to visit my grandparents.
Green is my favorite color.
Green is my favorite color.
I prefer tea.
I prefer tea.
I like playing basketball.
I like playing basketball.
I love the summer.
I love the summer.
I like to go to the movies with my friends.
I like to go to the movies with my friends.
Yes, I can cook spaghetti.
Yes, I can cook spaghetti.
I like listening to rock music.
I like listening to rock music.
My favorite book is To Kill a Mockingbird.
My favorite book is To Kill a Mockingbird.
Do you have a favorite holiday?
Do you have a favorite holiday?
Yes, my favorite holiday is Christmas.
Yes, my favorite holiday is Christmas.
No, I don't know how to dance.
No, I don't know how to dance.
My favorite TV show is Friends.
My favorite TV show is Friends.
Are you a morning person?
Are you a morning person?
No, I'm not a morning person.
No, I'm not a morning person.
I love strawberries.
I love strawberries.
Yes, my favorite restaurant is an Italian one.
Yes, my favorite restaurant is an Italian one.
I like pepperoni pizza.
I like pepperoni pizza.
Yes, I love going to the beach.
Yes, I love going to the beach.
I prefer reading books.
I prefer reading books.
My favorite holiday tradition is decorating the Christmas tree.
My favorite holiday tradition is decorating the Christmas tree.
Yes, I have a dog named Max.
Yes, I have a dog named Max.
I like whole wheat bread.
I like whole wheat bread.
I like playing Monopoly.
I like playing Monopoly.
What's your favorite animal?
What's your favorite animal?
I love dolphins.
I love dolphins.
Where did you grow up?
Where did you grow up?
I grew up in a small town in the countryside.
I grew up in a small town in the countryside.
I enjoy hiking.
I enjoy hiking.
What's your favorite TV series?
What's your favorite TV series?
My favorite TV series is Breaking Bad.
My favorite TV series is Breaking Bad.
I have two brothers.
I have two brothers.
I like classical music.
I like classical music.
I'm allergic to peanuts.
I'm allergic to peanuts.
What's your favorite season?
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is autumn.
My favorite season is autumn.
What's your favorite drink?
What's your favorite drink?
I like iced tea.
I like iced tea.
I'm learning how to play the guitar.
I'm learning how to play the guitar.
I enjoy painting.
I enjoy painting.
What's your favorite hobby?
What's your favorite hobby?
I like playing the guitar.
I like playing the guitar.
I work as a nurse.
I work as a nurse.
I enjoy hiking in my free time.
I enjoy hiking in my free time.
What's your favorite TV show?
What's your favorite TV show?
My favorite TV show is The Office.
My favorite TV show is The Office.
I have one brother and two sisters.
I have one brother and two sisters.
What's your favorite type of food?
What's your favorite type of food?
I love sushi.
I love sushi.
I'm currently studying psychology.
I'm currently studying psychology.
What's your favorite book genre?
What's your favorite book genre?
I enjoy reading thrillers.
I enjoy reading thrillers.
I'm planning a trip to Japan next year.
I'm planning a trip to Japan next year.
What's your favorite ice cream flavor?
What's your favorite ice cream flavor?
I like mint chocolate chip.
I like mint chocolate chip.
I enjoy spending time with my family.
I enjoy spending time with my family.
What's your favorite sport to watch?
What's your favorite sport to watch?
I like watching basketball.
I like watching basketball.
I have a cat named Fluffy.
I have a cat named Fluffy.
What's your favorite type of coffee?
What's your favorite type of coffee?
I like cappuccino.
I like cappuccino.
I'm fluent in Spanish.
I'm fluent in Spanish.
What's your favorite type of weather?
What's your favorite type of weather?
I love sunny days.
I love sunny days.
I enjoy playing video games with my friends.
I enjoy playing video games with my friends.
What's your favorite type of pasta?
What's your favorite type of pasta?
I like spaghetti carbonara.
I like spaghetti carbonara.
I'm a big fan of the Harry Potter series.
I'm a big fan of the Harry Potter series.
What's your favorite type of fruit?
What's your favorite type of fruit?
I love mangoes.
I love mangoes.
I have a part-time job at a restaurant.
I have a part-time job at a restaurant.
What's your favorite type of movie?
What's your favorite type of movie?
I like action movies.
I like action movies.
I love spending time outdoors.
I love spending time outdoors.
What's your favorite season?
What's your favorite season?
I like autumn.
I like autumn.
I'm currently learning how to play the piano.
I'm currently learning how to play the piano.
What's your favorite type of beer?
What's your favorite type of beer?
I like IPA.
I like IPA.
I'm a big fan of the band Coldplay.
I'm a big fan of the band Coldplay.
What's your favorite type of pizza?
What's your favorite type of pizza?
I like veggie pizza.
I like veggie pizza.
I'm planning on taking a cooking class next month.
I'm planning on taking a cooking class next month.
Hope you enjoyed today's video. Leave a comment below if you found any content challenging and share your thoughts with other learners. Subscribe, like, and share this video to support us and stay up to date on new courses. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.